So we're going to take the one-step equations of multiplication and division, and we're going to apply it to real world. So equations can be used to find missing information and to solve problems. So the cell phone bill recorded that Jeremiah sent 532 text messages last week. On average, how many text messages did he send each day? Well, so you know that 1 week is 7 days, and that his total messages in a week were 532. You want to know how many sent in a day. So your equation will be 7x equals 532, because the 7 represents how many days are in a week, and the x represents the number of text messages he sends per day, and 532 represents the total. So you're going to solve this by dividing both sides by 7. So we're going to divide 7 into 532. So 7 goes into 53 7 times, which is 49. 4 left over. 7 goes into 42 6 times. So your answer is 76. So he sent 76 text messages a day. Okay. Number 2. On Friday, Maggie and her 2 friends washed their neighbor cars in order to make some money. They split the payment equally and walked away with $3.50, and each walked away with $3.50. How much did the neighbors pay them for their washing the cars? So there's 3 kids in total. Each got $3.50. You want to know the total amount they made. So you take the total amount and you're going to divide it among the 3 kids, and it gives you $3.50. Well, you're going to work backwards to solve this, and you're going to multiply each side by 3. So this cancels out. X comes down. So then you're going to do $3.50 times 3. And so they were paid $10.50. All right, number 3. The perimeter of a square measures 26 centimeters. What's the length of the side of the square? Well, so a square has 4 sides. And to get the perimeter, you add up all 4 sides. So it means that if you do 4 times the x has to equal 26. So 4 represents that there are 4 sides, and x represents the measure of each side. So we're going to divide 4 to both sides. So you're going to divide 4 into 26. Which is 6 times, which is 24. 2 left over. Add your decimal. Bring down to 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So your solution is 20. And your variable, x, was each side. And the equation was 4x equals 26. A deck of game cards was dealt equally among 6 players. Each player received 7 cards. How many cards were dealt? So x was total cards. And so you take the total and you divide it among 7 cards is equal to 6 people. So you're going to multiply both sides by 7. So x will equal 42. A Netflix subscription is on sale for $41.94 for 6 months. What's the cost per month? So you know your x is the cost per month. And you're doing this for 6 months. So you do 6 times x is equal to $41.94. So you probably already assume that you're going to divide 6 into $41.94 to figure out how much it costs per month. So 6 goes into 41 6 times, which is 36. You have 5 left over. Bring up your decimal and bring down the 9. 6 goes into 59 9 times, which is 54. 2 left over. Bring down the 4. 6 goes into 24 4 times. So each month will cost $6.94. And that's real world problems for multiplying and dividing.